If you need to record audio directly inside Microsoft PowerPoint, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. It's a simple feature, but it can make your presentations much more professional, whether you're creating a narrated lesson, a voiceover for a business deck, or a presentation you want to share with audio already built in. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want to add your audio recording. Once you're on the correct slide, look at the top menu and click Insert. In the Insert tab, find the audio option, then click it and choose Record Audio from the drop-down menu. A small record audio window will appear on your screen. Before you start recording, give your audio a name so it's easy to identify later. This is especially helpful if you're adding multiple audio clips throughout your presentation. After naming the file, click the record button, which looks like a circle, and begin speaking clearly into your microphone. Try to speak at a steady pace and make sure your microphone is working properly before you begin. When you're finished speaking, click the stop button, which looks like a square. You can listen to the playback if you want to check the recording before adding it to the slide. If everything sounds good, click OK. PowerPoint will then place the audio onto your slide automatically. You'll see the audio icon appear, confirming that the recording has been added successfully. From there, you can move the audio icon if needed, adjust playback settings, or keep it hidden during your slideshow depending on how you want the presentation to work. And that's it. You've now recorded audio in Microsoft PowerPoint and added it directly to your slide. This is a great way to make your presentations more engaging, more personal, and easier to follow. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.